Welcome to another episode of I Cook for Him So He Doesn't Starve, featuring me, steak, and guac that will change lives. I started by cutting up the steak like a responsible adult with knife skills I learned from YouTube and a bit of main character energy. Hit the pan with some seasoning, no measuring, just soul and experience. Butter, garlic salt, paprika, onion flakes, parsley, and Italian seasoning. Then dropped it into the pan like it owed me money. Sizzled instantly. That's how you know things are about to get delicious. Doesn't that steak just look so good? So good. My poor phone. I'm drooling over it again as I do this voiceover. Next up is guacamole prep. I chopped like I was auditioning for a cooking show with zero prize money. And then, of course, you have to mash the avocado with authority. Everything's in. I tasted it and immediately wanted to delete and gatekeep this section of the video, but I won't because I'm generous. Last but not least, now we're going to plate everything because I am starving and it smells so good. 10 out of 10 lunch date at home. Personally, I wanted a burrito, so I ended up making myself a burrito with, I think these are like spinach wraps. Either way, also 10 out of 10. And with that, see you next week. Bye!